Kajingyo khon dagi badan Jingtuklar hagi Kyrwoh kalong ka aka bapen sngosi yaki kmiki kpa Henry da kajing iet bat Jingkyrmen kumjo da kajing pen I lenti jongki brio ki badan Jingtep hakane ka phang bat kajing minot jongki kmiki kpa bon sien kawan ra iki so bathiang ban pen yo biang ya kajing kot ya laki khon bat ban pech khmat da kajing Jingkyrmen ka babha ya ka lawe ki khon Kawai ni Jingpang ka bakta ay dukhatmat ki Khyllung kalong ka clubfoot lani ka Jingpang siya ngadu ki benta ka rendang Kjat bat khongdong kani ka Jingpang ka penlong yaki Kjat Khyllung ban Kdor. Halor ban aji pensaya kani ka Jingpang nakalyang ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs haringkat ka jingatray lang ka Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram RBSK ka Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission bat ka Mandala Foundation kala penlong ya ka clubfoot di hakabala don ka jinga kendo lang ki kmiki kpa bat ki khun jongki badon kani ka Jingtuklar ban yamir jingmut ban ai jing pensay. Hakani ka sngi la don lang Usampat Kumar IAS Principal Secretary Katanat Social Welfare Department haringkat ka jinga don lang ka kong CD Lingwa MCS Additional CEO but Director Katanat Social Welfare, Dr. NP Lalu MS Ortho Project Director but State Coordinator SRCDA Civil Shillong, Srimati SP Marak MCS CEO SRCDA, Commissioner for Persons with Disability Kasorkar Meghalaya, but Dylan's EM Planning Officer State Resource Center on Disability Nolorki Weipat. Hakadega sngi lapen songotanat ruya ki khana red da ka jing thu khana poriskam da ka Mandala Foundation ka jingpen kemen yaki ni ki khana da ka jing ai ngobha da ki tiar tho ba drawing bala no sanyang da ka wei ka kanhon ka bla tip kom ka hopeful heaven bara ka joka por la yo ru ka jing ya mer jing mot habren ki kimi ki pa ki badan khon bu yo ai ka ni ka jing pang bala penya da ka kong larai sok rap lang ka brai ka disability rehabilitation expert SRCDA bara ka bapen kot la yo ai ka jing pen shai no ting shop don bor mer bo uba mi khmat ban pen slor yaki brio badan Jingtuklar hagi Kyrwoh uba jukot kum uken thop jongka kenhon SRCDA.
Initiatives are coming to basically developing well, and we can see some early results. As I said, I think I wish with this particular day, I think a lot more sensitization would happen and a lot more awareness would happen, and that would actually lead to as Baron has mentioned. We need to that leads to unleashing the potential of every child. No child, every child has that capacity. Every child has a right to live a very good quality life. I think that life can be provided only if we actually take this, very I would say early interventions are interventions that really help them to really give their best to this world. So with this, I wish all the parents, some of them are here with the children. I think well, nice to see all of you. I wish you a very, very pleasant day while participating in this workshop with all of us. I think a lot of technical sessions would be there, but that's the so I'm really happy to see this very beautiful workshop that is being organized by SRCDA and also along with all other members. Thank you.
As already been mentioned, clubfoot. Why do you call it a clubfoot? It is because it resembles a club. When we talk of clubfoot, all the clubfoots are not the same. What we are concerned here and what we are stressing here today is what is known as what we are going to talk here today is basically about what is known as the primary clubfoot or the idiopathic clubfoot. It is something which has already been mentioned. It is present in per light board, and it is more common in boys than in girls, and it can be either one leg or both. It is interesting to note that when we talk of clubfoot, of course it can be diagnosed as early as 13 to 14 months, weeks in the mother's womb. But clubfoot is recognized as soon as the baby is born. If it is not present at birth, if you found something that is a club later on, that is not known, it is not an idiopathic clubfoot. That is because the reason is there are some other functions, some other causes. Otherwise, a clubfoot is when the baby is born, you'll recognize it right there and then. So in the whole state of Meghalaya, we have only one clubfoot clinic, that is in Kdor, and that is in Civil Hospital, where we function every Saturday.
Lai sngo ru ka jing pla jong we ni ki long pa ya ka jing sam jong u halor ka jing yo ye khun kan thai ibadon ka jing pang club foot.
Ni dei kun jonga balai wa keteng dokumen sisa jerwa. Te pai na mpayeng i kumba PE the PE Kdor ke ga bangison do barang kha i kumne te musola mudun ndai dei jingalam jong play ga play wa ku ki yang tengi ulang bawa pun kendo i doktor lo Sumar play hoi ngala sak keren bain ki promojan kila keren bain nga kila ong boyo kunana so ma pediang wat apa yang kecing kali kawan apa yang kalau lockdown ngala rap pelakarat penlek apa yang kecing kerduk kamai keji ngam semua i nama katong hi galong ba anda kikun kila he kinom dalam kecing babe bat kit nom omru ba ipai email ipa ila leben nga yonda la he la long gunur ngakwa hi bakikun dong my father and mother is my best mangle kabala nang ka jimba chong kikun tene ka poro so wan ai museum lang tulang para long kwe ba desi ki nangit skam ki bawan hane ka por desi ki long bolong kikun jonga to yai minat ha ka jing Sumar ku bai doktor la patha ipi to shimkhia ba ki soyoma ya ka Jingkyrmen ani thu kindat mentala license shiteng kumbai doktor di la tubuh pa Devan Wan si sengir ngampar ju absen ya kay bai doktor itu naman perkhat ba bagi kun hadian junum bapi hadian ba niyo ikun ni balai de badan ka jinya perna pering kitu ki arut para abu bet bombyang ha ka we de ba kasla Kjat te hadian kata kadai ruah pering jong lockdown trong covid senam acara apuwe hau mulai November hak patrik akai te season perkat adin ba akai i tolong kai badu Jingkyrmen ka konsusi ya yang kesem dari bat ni pediang bat ya kai ya ka ba beliau lah kerku kecil ko jongi ngba ka jing kerku ko jong beliau ba lai lam ti ngi ban pensyai bagi saya kendu ya kecing Sumar Civil Hospital lembah bagi kendu ya doktor lalu hadin bagi lai kendu doktor lalu te la ai je Jingkyrmen lembah han kecing keren ke jongi la pen sultanat ya kemensium wala kalau ngapa dengan lockdown ba hakta kapor bagi lai kendu ni kong doktor lalu mdai ba ni lai alam Khyllung surat tang dah Kdor te lembah kecing ai kecing tersian ke jongi kalau pentingan ke sultan ada kemensium te la abu por doktor lalu tinggi sawan bisa le doktor lalu ke patron kam te hadian tu la Sumar la le postar la ai ke judi ke bot khoi patron kam te ni abu renti ru ya kajing hikai jong doktor bagi lawan testar ru kajing check up mata la kum walai senam steng te hadian ba la yang le testar te haduk matapat ngalak bodong ba ni yo ke ya ke Jingkyrmen ni yo mat ya ke Jingkyrmen habai dai ba ka jinglut jing sep kong te hoi kamdon ka jinglut si Sumar itu saudara orang Sumar ai bai ni lut hitang ka balik lewat ka kubor ka ba la bang ai ban pesat jingmut lang sak borok ke yo slo ni ka kubor la ni ke yo i ni ka kubor ba hikum Shillong Mail babs niyo banyak kerana ni kubur kolong hawa ngi kundu ya ki kun ki bolong klok food ka bomut hi ka bom bet bombyang ha ka jingya la ni habis la Kjat ka keryang te wat num ya sadin ha ka jing perkat ka ba benar tatin lane wat num snow le ran ban mi shakmat ha wi dei wat ni tengah ka jing jumpa di seluruh ki peralon kemilong pa mengilara ngiyo ki kun ki belum kumtu ki belum klop food ki ba keryang kislah Kjat ki kawa te wat nom penrit museum yelde wat nom suleran bat mi syakmat wat kejelat kejing Sumar kam tam e kumbangi ni yo e kejing Sumar kam kerpang te sibil hadu mentang yo ma de Jingkyrmen to kumta hi ya paro kilong pa so bat ai museum ba lada don kum kini ki kun kumbangi don tung ini mi syakmat.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.